we're live. No face cam today. Probably not, at least. Let's do. Let me make sure the stream's okay. Should be good. How do I like? Okay. All right, we live. It works now. Hello. I'm just gonna be finishing this game. Let me make a to-do list of what we have to do. So we need to for game release. We need Okay, before release, we want to first let's do. Yeah, what's up, Brendan? Welcome to the stream. All right, we're gonna say we need to create teleport gun, create nuke game pass, create flying sled, create 2x speed. We need to set up wheel spin rewards, change wheel spin visuals. We need to make working settings, create game pass shop, fix reset button, and then fix progress bar. And then finally, the last change we have to make is UI one frame at a time is visible. Run validation / invalidation based on tools used. Save runtime when player joins / leaves games. Thanks, Brendan. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. I think I used weird stream settings. No, we're fine. Okay. So, that's everything we have to do before the game's release. I'm hoping to release Tuesday or Wednesday. It's a lot, but it's kind of like I could realistically get this done tonight. It really just depends on how locked in I can get, which is ideally people will be in the stream, you know? So, anyways, let's get started. So we're gonna create. Let's start out with the 2 fixes, I guess. Oops. If I had to like prioritize it. Does the stream look okay? Let's make sure it looks fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's late, and this is also the first time we've streamed in a really long time. What's up, Fluffy? Okay. So, yeah, these are the final things, and then I guess that'll be the last thing is the one effect. So let's start by fixing the reset button, which for some odd reason is acting really weird. Where's my interaction? Okay, so this should be under checkpoint service. I think this game's gonna do decent. I don't think it's gonna pop off. We're releasing it very late for Christmas. I've just been too busy when we did like the Nicki Minaj trailer and stuff to actually like get the work done. Okay. Let's see. We need the reset player. So self set checkpoint, player -1. Okay, that's a result of this. So we're gonna say if toNumber checkpoint is greater than -1 and alright, that should fix it. Basically what was happening was I made it so you couldn't backtrack, but it kinda overall canceled everything. Not good. What did I mess up? Okay. Wait, if toNumber. Wait, what just happened? Did it just not write any of the code that I wanted it to? toNumber checkpoint is greater than -1 and so this should allow the user to reset if necessary. I don't know why they didn't spawn at their checkpoint. Alright, if I die real quick here. Okay, so I spawn at the end now. If I reset, I go back to the start. My checkpoint should be -1. So if I start my run, the first checkpoint, now my checkpoint's 0, 1, 2. I gotta make it reset the colors as well. Okay, but this works. Real quick. Okay, so that works. Done. The progress bar is just pretty simple. We just need to put this for now. I'll just have it like here. So I join the game. What's my current checkpoint? I don't know why it's not spawning me at my checkpoint. Yeah, my checkpoint's 4. That's weird with the This is some ugly code, by the way. I care more now about shipping products rather than writing good code. Let's just, alright, this should just be, it's like a bit of a band-aid, but Tango made the UI and he popped off. Okay, so it appears not to be an issue with the checkpoint, which is interesting. Or workspace dot spawns. So the checkpoint is -1. Let me do something here. I always feel I don't have my camera set up today. I'll have it for a future stream. But I'm doing good, Will. How are you? Okay, so let's print checkpoint object.name. Okay, so it's setting the right object. It's literally just an issue with, like, the player's spawn not overriding. So basically when the player's character is added and they spawn in right here, it's just getting, like, overridden. So, geez, well, I hope you're okay, man. Hope you're okay. COVID is the real deal. Um, shoot. Okay, wait. Um, let me look this up real quick. I always forget what to do for this. I hate spawn locations are not something I feel like I enjoy. They they feel outdated in terms of Roblox. Like just well, yeah, I run the company full time now. I don't have time to stream on Twitch really anymore. Arbitrary weight, dude. Yeah, first of all, the code for this game is really bad. Don't get me wrong. Um, what I thought I was doing with this was so I'm trying to reposition the character when they spawn, but it gets overridden by the character's spawn location. So I forget. I had a fix for this one time, and I just forget. I thought like literally a 0.1 second wait would override that and set them, but it doesn't. So I'm trying to think of the ideal method for that. Um, Wait, why can't you hear? This could be an issue on my end. If I'm not, hold on. Let me make sure. All right, let me. Yeah, it's fires on character added. So I completely forget what my method was for this. If I spawn the player at the checkpoint, um, this isn't actually. I might as well skip. All right, so if I spawn the player, set prime part, cframe.new, checkpoint object that position. That's fine. Character added. Wait. This is very, very not necessary, but I'm just checking something. See, like, this is really weird. It's not even, if I were to even just add like that completely. Will, we got it close again. We have it like in a state where like, if we put in a couple weeks, we could get it out, but we're all kind of busy right now. Like, this is a game I cranked out in like a week. But then we got busy. We had some big client work we had to focus on. Okay, so. Oh, you know what? Is it getting hung up here? No, because we wrap it in a C-frame, Neptune, and if my character dies, he spawns properly. It's just something to do with when the player joins. Okay, we get here. Oh, of course it works there. There's definitely a chance, but I wouldn't hold on and wait, but we're going to do our best eventually. Yo, what's up, Scorch? Vector 3 representing. Okay. Why is it not broken anymore? That's crazy. This has to have like an 100% success rate for it to be okay. What the heck? Why does it work now? I don't know why this works. Okay. Yeah, Brendan, I ended up selling it. The person who bought it hasn't released it yet. Alright, let's see what happens. Why is it working perfectly now? Yeah, quite literally programming at its finest. This is so odd. Oh, I gotta write leaderboards for the game as well. I haven't worked with global data stores in a long time. Or ordered data stores. Argument 3, missing or nil of line. Oh, yeah, that's a script I started writing and then got distracted. Oopsies. Okay, so if I leave right now. Dude, what? That's crazy. I didn't, uh, not a single thing has changed, and my game works. I'd rather it not work at this point. Let's play my game real quick and see what happens. By the way, guys, we got another tutorial dropping tomorrow. It's our first non-programming tutorial. Okay, yeah, see, this is crazy. Now it's not working. So, something is wrong. Wait a minute, this could be a game changer. Is respawn location still... Oh, I broke it. I know it's broken. Calm down. If this is a thing, we're locked in. Yeah, we had one of the top Roblox UGC creators make a tutorial for us. Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay. Bummer. 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 Oh, actually, I made a typo. Locked in, baby. Locked in. Expected spawn location got part for player respawn location. Go figure. Alright, apparently this works. Which makes sense. So they're going to move from origin, and as soon as that's detected... Never mind, I was kidding. No, it's fine. I just have to connect to the humanoid root part. Let's speak. The code I'm writing for this game is a great example of do as I say, not as I do, because I'm writing some not good code. But sometimes it's more important to ship a product than it is to write the best code, especially in a game with a small scale. You just kind of want to like crank it out, you know, especially with our tight deadline. Okay, didn't work again. That's fun. That's cool. That's great. Mm. Video drops tomorrow, friendly. What's up, Rainbow? It's just an obby game. It's me. Um, you'll see what it is. Hold up. I just want to figure this out real quick. Character, wait for child, humanoid root part. Get property changed, signal. Wait. I'm curious to know if I'm using... I'm not using an old version of the character or anything like that. Bozo. By the way, chat, you guys want a little sneak peek onto something? So, to explain real quick, Vector 3 is my marketing agency that I run for games on the platform. It's my full-time job. This channel is called Vector 3 as well, and my goal is to change the branding of this channel to be a separate entity that is kind of a company that my company owns in a way. So over the next week, we're going to be rebranding into Dot Product, and you guys can check out our branding here. A couple of variations we're going to be using, and yeah, it's very exciting. I'm a big fan of the branding. I think it's cool. The Dot Product helps you determine if objects are facing each other. We help you face your fears of learning to make games. And yeah, at least that's what I say. So, new branding, really exciting. Channel's going to get a pretty deep overhaul over the next week. And I'm also planning on uploading more consistently, which I say every time. But the channel makes money now because it's monetized, and it actually makes pretty decent money. So it makes sense now to put it into my work schedule, and rather than it being a hobby, I can actually include it in my daily schedule as work. So that's in the news as well. Be ready. We've got some big stuff planned, hopefully. But as you guys know, this is a side gig. Vector 3, the company, is my biggest priority. But I love programming still, so although I'm really not liking programming right now because of this problem. I do, Will. I live on my own now. I pay for my life, if you want to call it that. Moved out, chilling. I'm home. The reason I'm streaming is I'm home for a month, just because all my college friends are home, and I wanted to see them, so I'm coming home for a while, even though I'm not in school. Character, wait for child, humanoid root part, get property changed, signal, position, wait, print. Let's see if it's changing, and then it's like, yeah, no, it's not. It's not luck, Will. Anyone can make it happen. Just gotta work for it. I've been doing Roblox as my quote unquote job my entire life so that I could do it full time because that was my goal. Okay, here's my new theory. Here's my new theory. What is that? That's theory 1. That will fix it. I lied. It will not fix it. Yep. It's broke. Game is broken. Checkpoint service, spawn player checkpoint. What's up, Zor? Dude, I'm going to be streaming for hopefully 2 to 3 hours because I'm finishing the game tonight. No matter what it takes. Hopefully I'll make it happen. Local checkpoint equals 2 number player, get attribute checkpoint. Print checkpoint. So there's a disconnect between Roblox moving my character for the spawn and me moving my character. Additionally, this could be an infinite yield, which I'm yet to figure out. Okay, so we're essentially stuck right now where this player.character or player.character added. Wait. Okay, like logically. Wait a minute. I think we did fix it actually. The reason being, okay, is I took out that previous load character, which was the culprit of the issue because it was there was a chance that the data loaded prior to the character loading the character but not. Never mind, the game is just broken. Everything I said was a lie. Unless somehow can the game stop opening on this monitor? Voila. Never mind, I was lying again. But see how it works right here? What is the I guess the variable that is changing? That's the question. What is the difference here versus there? Yeah, so I'm at, like, that's where I am. Now, if I publish, basically, I need to effectively, and I wrote this once before, that's the real kicker about this, is I need to effectively always ensure that the action will happen after Roblox spawns the user. Okay? If it works 5 times in a row, we'll accept it. That's 2 times it worked. I'm not going to drag it over every time, so sorry, chat. That's 3 times, chat. 2 more times and we fixed it. Let's go, chat. W's all around. That's 4. If it works right here, I'm a happy man. That's all I'll say. Game works. We did it. Now, once in studio for good luck. Actually, no, we're gonna do this. We're gonna load. Never mind. We're gonna load me. We're gonna do this one more time. And if this works, the game is working. Let's go, chat. Okay. She's fixed. Done. All right. I guess we're creating a teleport gun. So that's why I hate studio. Okay. Let's grab toolbox. Hyper laser gun. We're gonna use this model. We're gonna go start back, hyper laser gun. Okay. So let's do this. Let's say local. Let's say connection local player equals gamed up. Again, do as I say, not as I do. Bad code is about to be written. Okay. Script.parent.equipped connect function. Script.parent.unequipped connect. No. We can actually just unify it here and do script.parent.activated, and we're going to remove this. Activated connect function. Local position equals mouse dot hit. If position, then we're going to do teleport event fire server position.p. Let's do position.position. Finally, we're going to say local teleport event equals script.parent.teleport gun script.parent wait for child teleport event. We're going to call this teleport event. We're going to call this teleport ray, just so that we never have to say teleport ray gun, ray gun, ray. Okay, we're going to say local teleport event equals script.parent wait for child teleport event on server event connect function. Then we're going to say what are we going to say? We're going to say player position. Then we're going to say if script.parent does not equal player.character, then return end. And we're going to say player.character if we're gonna say if player.character, then player set primary, no, player.character set primary parse cframe to cframe.new position. I'm gonna have to fix that. I just realized. Actually, I'll just, yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. I guess I'll do, then I have to, no, see, then I get in the whole world of ray casting and all that. Checkpoint. If these parts were hypothetically invisible, or no, is it can query? Can query? Can I remove that? I don't, I'm not gonna, I don't have the energy in me to raycast. Oh, okay. Yay. Works. Although we need to make sure. We need to make sure of something. Hold on. I'm gonna add just like plus like just gonna do that. Also, nah, that's fine. We're gonna set a maximum range. We're gonna say if player distance from character position is greater than 25, then return end. Basically, player can't teleport across the entire map. Okay, 25 is a bit much. Let's say 100. I forgot it'll take into account vertical. Okay, that's all set. We've got a working teleport ray. Let's put that in server storage. Easy. Okay, the finish event was broken, I notice. So let's find out why. Finish line handler, script.parent does local player equals player. Or okay. Cool. We're also gonna fire game. Hey, thanks, Poker. Appreciate it. Dot remotes. Wait for child reset checkpoint visuals. Fire client player. It's gonna set all of the uh you'll see. It's an obby game, but you're on a sled. So it's kind of Christmas themed. Thanks, Poker. Well, good thing you subscribed to our channel because our beginner scripting tutorial comes out soon. It's an hour long. It might just teach you what you need to know. And there's more, so pretty cool. What's up, Trazer? Welcome to the stream, dude. All right, let's call this reset checkpoint visuals. Now, if I finish the obby, it's going to reset the visuals. So, boom. Let's rip a little gravity coil action. Yeah. Okay, I'm really bad at my own game. To grow the game, my plan is I'm just going to live stream on TikTok. I have a pretty popular TikTok account that I'll use, and I'll see if I can drive players through that. Plus 200K in sponsors, which isn't enough nowadays, but it'll, oh my God. It should, help out. By the way, guys, if you want to get access to exclusive rewards, then join the group to be ready for release. Well, Poker, if you want to turn on notifications, feel free. I'll make sure you don't forget. I'm using the rainbow sled right now, guys. Yep, Will. My big thing is I want to get a game out, learn how to do live ops and analytics. My big goal for 2024 is to improve my marketing skills that I can offer games, is know way more about, post-launch, and I can grow games through social media, but I want to also be able to use on-platform tools. So, thanks, Poker. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Let's get to the end of our hobby real quick. Tonight, guys, if everything is done, then I'll let you guys play the game tonight. I'll open it for a limited test because I've never tested it with multiple people and I need to make sure it works. So stay tuned. It is pretty cool. The game does feel really clean. Yay. You think you're the first member? You probably are. So thank you very much, bro. I appreciate it. Yep. Yeah, you are. Well, I appreciate you being the first member to join. All right. What's another thing I have to do? I need to replace this interaction. I need to basically put this into our other skip button. I want to show you guys something pretty cool I made. One sec. I made this little like module type thing where I can mark buttons as I can mark a button as a hover button. And now when I play the game, hover over it, it bounces. Very cool, chat. Very cool. I also put it on the wrong thing. Me being a pay-to-win player. Because I want to see what happens if I pay for the final stage. I forget if I wrote that support yet. So I'm testing this real quick. It would be so much easier if I had my teleport gun. Ay, ay, ay. Chat, what should the reward be for being a group member and joining the game? All right, now for the moment of truth. Huh. Oh, it's because I still have to touch the finish. Actually, yeah, that's the exact behavior I want, because then I'll be able to walk into the finish zone. Oh, I meant to... All right, wait, I gotta test one more thing. Okay, I might change that behavior, we'll see. It's odd that when the player reached the finish, it didn't reset their visuals. The heck? Oh, I think I do an actual verification. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I checked to make sure that they're actually, like, there. Alright. I don't know if that's the right, um... I don't know if that's the right behavior for it, I guess. I'm going to avoid that for now. Because if users somehow end up not hitting a certain checkpoint, it's going to just mess them up. And I'd rather not. Okay. Next thing I want to do is I want to set the default progress bar. And then we're going to set up some game passes. And we're going to set the text to bet. Okay. I want to make sure that we're tweening. We're not. Okay. Skips work. Sleds, shop, reset, spin. The spin is like the last thing I want to work on. Because it's going to be it's just going to be not fun. Where is this container spin? Nope, it's going to be one of these. Here we go. We don't want this. Okay. Let's go to our notepad. Let's make the Nuke event. So, when I, the user, seek to purchase my Nuke, right button interaction manager. If button get attribute game pass ID, then we're gonna do else. Marketplace service prompt product purchase game.players local player button get attribute product ID. In sec chat. Okay, let's make a nuke, guys. This is the fun part. We're gonna go into. Remote. No. We're gonna go to product service, product handler service, product functions. Kill all players. Nuke server. So what we're gonna do is I want to do a few things. I want to make game lighting red, white flash on flash of bloom, players explode. That's my plan for the nuke system right now. Let's begin by creating a folder and call this nuke event. Then we're gonna grab some. We're gonna go into lighting first. And let's just do a color correction effect. Let's set a nice red tint. And then we're going to create intense bloom. So it should look like this. And we'll explode all. So we would do make game lighting red. So we'll do task.wait. Or no, we'll do game.replicated storage. Or we'll say, okay, we'll say local event folder equals instance.new folder. Event folder dot name equals nuke. Event folder dot parent equals game dot lighting. Then we'll say local nuke assets equals game dot replicate storage wait for child nuke event. We'll say nuke assets dot red lighting effect dot parent equals event folder task dot wait 3. Then we'll say nuke assets clone dot parent dot bloom clone dot parent equals event folder 3. Yes, I actually just did that in the code. For underscore player and game.players. How delayed is this stream? Wait, what the heck? Guys, none of your chats have been appearing for me. What the heck? I'm sorry, guys. I haven't been I thought no one was talking this whole stream. Yo, what's up, Splix? Okay, for underscore player and game that players do if player dot name equals game dot equals. And now we gotta use player. I forget how explosions work. Will this work? Okay. Lighting doesn't work if you put it in a folder. Really? What if I put it in a model? Nope. Dang. Really? That feels odd. A Christmas boss fight? Possibly. Might be cool. I also have no clue how to do the like kill part. I forget how to do that. Nope. What? What did I do? Did I not finish writing? I didn't finish writing my code. Ay, ay, ay. Like, what's your username? What the heck? Why didn't it kill any of the players? Underscore play. Oh, because I'm the only player in the game. So let's just remove this temporarily. Let me see. Forgot the drip. Down pat. Boom. Okay, explosion position has to be changed. No, Will, I sold that game to someone. If player.character, and then we can do my friend owns it, and I don't know if they're releasing it. You've gotten a lot better at coding. I'm writing really bad code right now, but I'm doing it on purpose because I don't have time to write good code with Vector 3, and I also care more about shipping products nowadays. And okay, Nuke system is written. It's not out yet, Will. Nuke system is done. We just got to hook all this up, obviously. Let's create the flying sled system. So I have a pretty solid theory for the flying carpet, or flying. How did I get experience with coding? I've been making Roblox games for like 10 years, and that's just like, I just made Roblox games all the time. That's all you gotta do. Uh-oh. Okay. So yeah, my plan is... This is like basically my plan. Yeah, you just keep making projects. My first ever Roblox game is called Boardwalk Shore. I released it in like 5th grade. And every time a person joined, I would join and just like talk to them. And it was so fun. Okay. Realistically, I don't know how I'm going to create a flying carpet system because I don't know how to code. What? Whoa. This is a lot of code. Yeah, see, I don't understand math. So you know what? In the spirit of saving time, we're scrapping it. Can I drop vector 3 maths? Dude, I cannot do programming math whatsoever. Like, I'm not the greatest programmer, but dude, I can't do the math side. I'm trying to learn it, but I also have zero time to actually put effort into learning it right now. Yeah, so GM, we do have some videos coming out about math. We worked with Slightnick. We have a C-frame math video coming out from him, and over time, we're going to start creating more math-related videos. We're going to basically increase our range of videos to be both more advanced, but also more beginner-friendly. The funding's there now, where I'm paying people to post or to create videos for us, so... Okay. I really just want to try and see what happens if we played the game right now. So I'm going to drop the link real quick. First things first, y'all better be in the group. Second things second, I'm going to make the game public real quick. Tell me if there's bugs. There's 100% going to be bugs. And that's just part of the experience, I guess. I got my mom making some windbreaker or not windbreakers, like hoodies for team Christmas presents. Okay. Chat. Hop in. I want to see what will happen. If we have, I just want to at least see if like one person can make it through the game like smoothly. Except I put the finish. I should have put the finish in because right now you can't like complete the obby. I might increase the player speed, or at least higher speed with a decreased increased acceleration time. Also, we need to do some solving there because that's not really how I don't really know why that's doing that. Splix, I'm coming for you, champ. You guys also have enough. Actually, don't buy a new sled because right now, if you buy a new sled, it breaks. Buying my own product. What? Yoracle. Welcome to the game. Why are so many people actually joining? Alright. Obviously, this game is not out yet, everyone. But if you have bugs, please let me know. I need to find all the weird bugs. And hopefully we're dropping this game on Tuesday. I also think I want to improve the VFX on the checkpoints. Bro, I'm just mad I can't nuke everyone. This game's going to be a banger, I hope. It's pretty much a cash grab, but I'm already funding a studio for a second game that's dropping. That's less of a cash grab. And guys, I don't really have the time to do this anymore. So this is more about the. Yes. Wait. Oh, it's because I didn't hit the checkpoint yet. Haha. Well, shoot. That doesn't work. Wait. Hold on. Don't worry, Splix. I'm getting us out of here. Okay, you can now make it to the end, guys. Why did I just receive 5 wins, though? Wait. How do you guys feel like the movement is? It's nothing crazy. The slice system my friend made for me for a favor. And it's good enough. It's what we need for the game, so I'm very excited. I hope I can build a mini speed. I want to do like a contest, like a 10,000 Robux speedrun contest. I think I'm going to do that on Twitter. Yeah, it gets the job done. Wee. Why can I not buy those? I guess it has to be a dev product that's a part of the game, maybe. All right, you guys can feel free to keep playing. I am going to make the game. No, you guys won't be filming this. Y'all, the Chrome set sled is low-key my favorite. And then we got the Ghost sled. Whee! And obviously, the Rainbow sled. Okay, that works. Next update, you guys will be able to permanently change. You beat the game? Let's go. You can buy yourself a new sled. I need to add spins, dude. Ugh. The spin system took me way too long to program than it should have. Like, I'm kind of embarrassed about it. It's like, okay. What is next? I guess now I should program the settings UI. Wait, it's laggy on your phone? Really? Yeah, the timer's broken. I don't know why. I'm curious as to why it's lagging. Hmm. Okay, what are the settings I even need? I guess music. Actually, do you guys ever listen to music in games? Like, do I need to do music? Some scrams, some beats. All right, let's see. What did I manage to mess up this time? I guess I'll put on music in the game. What? Why? Don't. Do not. You are not broken. What line is broken? 39. Sleds. No, it's meant to be settings. Let me think. Music. The 2x speed will be in here. Actually, no. 2x speed is gonna be a special sled. I'll just put like rockets on the back of it. Then what do I want to do for settings? Hold on. I guess we gotta design this UI. Let's think about it real quick. Okay, so clearly we're gonna have music, and then we're also gonna do. I don't know. What else is there? Can I just like. I guess I can do low graphics mode, which if I were to hold on. How do we earn a shout out? Will WR17. What's another setting I'd disable? Give me some settings ideas, guys. What's another setting? That's what I just did. So I made a setting that will just remove like textures and effects and everything. Oh, here's what we're gonna do. This one's gonna be funny because it's a Game Pass. That's right, chat. You have to pay to use a setting. Dude, a battle pass will happen in our next version of this game, absolutely. Okay, now we make each button a hover button. Bang, bang. Then we go to... Do I want the game to go out? No, I'd prefer if nobody played it. I feel like... I would love for it to be popular. I don't think it'll really do well. I don't really care. It's another portfolio stalker. Gotta turn that into a hover button. What? Uh-oh. Hover button not working? Oh no. Oh, I forgot to check the box, that's why. Whew, if the hover button breaks, that's what holds this game apart. So really, Tango didn't set the anchor point to 0.5. Grr. Wait a minute. Nope, this one. There we go. Now we're all okay. We're going to make that invisible. We're going to hop in the game. Dang. Well, thank you, Will. Just makes the game feel nice and alive. I need to make a thumbnail for the game as well. Next up, let's make our timer. Let's figure out why our timer's broken. Also, of course, I have to script the settings, but we'll do that later. Why is this broken? Let me reset my data and figure it out. Wait, why was the timer doing that? Let's see. I guess I gotta hop in the game real quick. Okay, yeah, when I join, for some reason, it's negative big number. Well, first of all, let's make sure, let's see what we got for errors. There's a negatives and going backwards. That's weird. That's very weird. Okay. Not to fear. If that fixes it, I'll be crazy because I was using a keyword. I doubt that's the reason. However, it's always good to experiment. Yeah, it's not the reason. It's using a random starting point. Nope, didn't fix it. What is this thing yapping about? I was hoping this would maybe actually be useful. Oh, I have a pretty good reason as to why. Not that, but hold on, it's fine. Of course I do, Will. Is that even a question? No, it's not. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go use the bathroom. All right, we are back, and we're gonna figure this out. So first of all, let's os.clock. Okay, so we fire it with os.clock. We take os.clock. Yeah, wait, this actually makes no sense. Because os.clock is being used. os.clock is being called from two instances. And basically, like, it should always be 0 or greater. It's just printing os.clock for some reason. Let's switch. All right, let's do this. I think there's a pretty simple fix. We're gonna try os.time, and I like. The problem is I think os.time is I want to say an integer. I suppose will. If I remember correctly, confident, and I might be wrong, but I think tick is just integer seconds. I'm looking for the precision of os.clock. I think that's pretty, yeah, it's pretty much my reasoning. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now my timer isn't even going. Oh, well, that would be because I called a non-existent method. See, I knew os.time wasn't precise. I could have sworn tick was an integer. Is it precise? Is it a float? Well, yeah, I'm using os.clock for that reason. Okay, well, my changes didn't publish. Hold on. My understanding was that tick was seconds, os.time was either integer or just imprecise, and the os.clock was my most precise use case. Okay, well, diff time is not the solution because so current time will be higher than the start time, which means this value, if I were to take two instances of os.clock being the initial one and subtract the current version, which is going to be higher, then logically there's no reason this is doing this. It does not make sense at all. Because it also works in studio, but not in game. I just ran it in studio and it was negative 400,000. And now it's 1 second. Yeah, I know that, Tiny. So it works here, but it doesn't work if I join an actual game. So there's some weird issue. When I call start, I use os.clock in that moment. So start time you can assume is always os.clock. And we're getting the difference between the most recent time versus the start time. It's not second since unit. Oh. Thanks, Optimal. Is it based on like the client? Oh, am I gonna see the difference here? Let's see. Where's the... I must be blind. Expected identifier. Is it this? I mean, no, it's not the semicolons. Am I just blind? Oh, it usually copies with a... No, I think it's a... I have to type it, I think, because I think when you copy, it, like, has some weird behavior. Okay. 7. Oh, wait. Why not just use tick? Did I have it confused? Okay. Did I use wait any? Oh, I've been using task.wait. That's my bad. I guess I should try tick, yeah. Okay, thanks, Reem. I don't know why, but I have been assuming that it was an integer this entire time. The reason I use a variable every time here, by the way, is I'm going to be saving the time going forward. So I just, oh shit. Shoot. Okay. OS clock is a like CPU. Is it, wait, does os.clock use your own CPU's time? I know it's like used for like optimizing code and stuff. Yeah, it's all because you're all I'm trying to do is just get the difference between it, you know, like and it just makes it. Okay, we made some progress. We now have a lesser negative number. Oh, wait. First of all, this should be tick now. Oh, wait, that's why. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Okay, that makes sense. It makes sense that why that's the wait, is this the wrong this is the oh this is the server storage version. And yeah, if you're testing server code, it's whatever server you're on. Makes sense. Okay, so we're still finding ourselves with an obscure number. It's the difference between it being second. Well, okay, wait, maybe it is a format. So normally that would convert it into like 00:00.00, which it has been working, and it's just not working anymore, and I'm quite confused. Okay, could it just hold on? Let me print current time minus elapse. No, current time. Actually, print elapsed time and just see what it is. Yeah, I just went back and defined it using tick. Although it kind of makes sense if it's not. Well, no, it doesn't. It would be a higher number, I think. Okay, so it's a formatting. Nope, that's a different print. Oh, so Is it just not updating or something? Where am I? Oh no. Oh no. Guys, don't make fun of me. Don't make fun of me. We might be in a bad boat here. I have two versions. I have like multi, because these are the old versions. Like these need to be deleted. No, we're still using tick. Let me. Oh wait, it's actually print. Okay, so that's why this was working in test, because it was the same CPU, since I was using my own CPU and for the server and client. That's actually pretty funny. That makes it a weird bug to catch. Yo, thanks Optimal. If you want to be we have a group for the game for when it comes out. Should come out in a day or two, hopefully. At this point, I'm hoping it's a formatting issue. No, it's not. Great. Okay. Clearly os.clock is being used somewhere or something. No, it's not. Tick. How does this make sense? Okay, so we're sending a start time. Let me make sure. Okay, I want to know, is it my start time? Well, clearly we have a higher. So if the tick is like 120 seconds and started at 118 seconds, we're gonna get 2 seconds, obviously, of. So I print the start time, and then here let's just, I guess, print tick. And let's just see like why we're getting an obscure number. What we can find now is if it's 40,000, we know it's os.clock, and that at least points me to something being the cause. Nope. Okay, so whoa. Okay, I guess it's pretty simple. One is a negative. Why? That would be pretty cool, Will. I've never had a game over 100 CCU of my own. I've gotten clients to 100 CCU, obviously, but not my own. Why? Wait. Okay. I don't know why we have a negative start time. That's really weird. So I'm calling it in these instances. Also, the code is very bad because I just cared about getting the game out. Nope, still not working. Okay, I just don't think it published. Tick can never be negative as far as you know. Yeah, that's why I'm so confused. Oh my god, you're gonna hate this. I have to redo my data, I think. I'm pretty sure that's the cause. Nope. Wait. No, it's just not even updating my changes at this point. What's up, Zay? Z? Dare to optimal. What? How? There's nowhere that I'm using host.cloud. Does the player if I join? It's really weird because it works perfectly normal. I normally do on like larger scale stuff, but I'm in my mindset nowadays is like, dude, just ship products, ship games, ship first, and then you can think about anything else. If you join my group, you can test out the game right now. Be warned, the timer is broken. Yeah, no, I'm not a programmer anymore. You know, I do my company full time instead, but this is more of a hobby, and it's way more fun to make games when you you don't have to think as much about it. Although my friend Andy has been convincing me to start using some of his stuff, so I'm probably gonna get pretty deep into knit for my next game. Yeah, it's Momentum Labs. Game link. If you guys want to test out the game, it is right here. Okay, actually though, how is this happening? Like, what is the? Let's do this. What do I do for my company? We do TikToks and trailers for Roblox games and brands on the platform. It's my full-time job, and I love it. I'm gonna shut down the server once, guys, because I want to test this change. Exactly, Sureem. I used to get really caught. Um, I used to get too caught up in perfectionist, and I realized like for a game that isn't built to scale. So, for example, you know, this game is not going to scale given our scope and duration. So instead, oh my god, I gotta shut it down one more time, guys. I'm sorry. Wait, where? There's just a random rogue. Heck yeah, Scorchy. Before you just shut down every. Huh? Chat, what? I do know like the game just kind of gets glitchy, but still. Give me a sec. Let me redo my data, and I'm gonna do one more shutdown. Spawning level. What the heck? All right, I'll look into that. That's pretty weird. I'll check for errors. If there's no errors, then it gets super hard to like figure it out. People, yeah, pretty much, dude. So yeah, some of the programmers I see, their games are like the game is their code. Like that's all they care about. Like there's a reason that a lot of the time the best programmers are not the best game developers. It's a very different set of skills, in my opinion. Okay, this is an obscene bug. This is the number that I'm getting for... Dude, how does this happen? We're using tick. It's all from a unified start point. And yet somehow... I don't know why you're spawning on different levels. That's... Are you making sure? Yeah, you definitely would be hitting all of the... Hold on. Subtracting something from it. I mean, I'm printing start time and it's like... I mean, let me print... Alright, let's do this. Let's print start time and let's print tick. I apologize in advance. We're going to be shutting down the server a few times, guys. Because the only way I can test this is in a game. So, rip. How does this keep happening? How do I keep making... Dude, typos are actually the death of me. Dude, I still have to do company work tonight before I can go to bed. How is there data? How do I have data saved? And why am I... Okay, so it didn't even save my changes. God, Roblox publish is one of the worst. Ooh, you're smart. You win the smartest viewer award. Actually, no, you're competing against Sareem right now, I think, so it's tough. But you're on track. Roblox has managed to make trying to do anything about your place the most confusing thing in the entire world. It makes no sense. Dude, I just want... Just give me VIP. Nope, I don't want that, dude. I don't want that. Nope, okay. Nope. Nope. Bet Scorch. Nope. Settings. No, that's the new subscriptions. Creator dashboard is... It's just... There's gotta be a better way. I mean, there has to be, right? Dude, that's what I am doing, Ed. I'm thugging this out, but... Oh. Yes. Took me way too long. Like, why do I have access settings, and then I have settings, and then I have permissions? Like, what are we doing there? And why is this under audience when the permissions and the... Why is this not, like, an assets section? Like, dude, what are we doing, Roblox? Okay. Let's see why my game is broken. Like, how is tick out of sync? Because, Sareem, here's the thing. We're not subtracting from it, I guarantee you. Because it works in Studio. Also, quite literally, right here, it shows very clearly, they're the same. Actually, what is that difference? That's about 18,000. So it's actually, yeah, it's actually the difference. Okay. So why does that difference exist? Why is the 18,000 seconds have not passed between those two lines of codes? It's weird because see how these numbers, I think these numbers are the same. These two numbers right here are like synced. Yo, what's up? S underscore. Welcome to the stream. You mean the time system? Yeah, so it's out of sync, even though they're both from a synchronized starting point. It also works in studio. I don't know why. I don't know how the server's messing up. This feels like this makes no sense. Oh, it's synth. What's up, synth? Dude, this game is ready, bro. Minus the broken timer. But I programmed this thing quick. Can I nuke the server yet? Oh, wait. I changed the skip button to actually be a skip button. Or no, it's because I had a skip in my inventory. Bro, it still doesn't let me buy my nuke system. Dude, I'm destroying. Never mind. Okay. Occasionally, yeah. We just tried all of that. Also, os.time is integers, and we need the precision of tick. It works in studio. Like, that's crazy. Watch. It's going to work perfectly in here. See that? See how we have synced start times? No, I was at the rodeo 2 nights ago, and I lost my voice because I went to a party after as well. And we're not manipulating sync given the fact that it works right there. That's so weird. It's going to be some really dumb. It's going to be something dumb. I know that. I know for a fact. Well, that's why I put the underscore. It's not using. Okay, so synth, I have a timer, right? It starts with tick, and then every 0.01 seconds, it just uses tick again to be a timer, and it works in studio, but it's out of sync on Roblox, even though the math is all done on the client. The reason I had math.absolute was because I thought there was some weird behavior there, but it's not. It's not that. Minus start time. Stream, what's up? What have we realized? Oh my. That makes sense. That makes sense because I'm the client on the server here. Why? That's so dumb. Is there not anything I can use to precisely get a unified but also precise time? Wait. Oh, it's because tick is collected on the server. And so if I'm using. Okay. Oh, pretty simple solution. No. Well, hold on. os.time is just a rounded version of sync, right? It's Unix epoch. No. I was going to say I could like. It uses current UTC time. No, there's definitely a better way, I feel like. Um Just waiting for it to come to my brain. If we were to take tick, if we have tick on the server, because Zay, os.clock will use the CPU timer on the server. What will be UTC on both sides? Date time? What, is that a thing? Honestly, could I not just convert it? What is the... Hold on. Let me think. So... No, I guess there's... No, if I subtracted... No, it's gonna have edge cases. I don't want to manually do it because I want this to be, like server authoritative. Oh, here's what we could do actually. Okay, hold on. If we take the what math could I do to take start time and convert it into the tick time zone? If I were to subtract, no, it's like, if I were to subtract like modulo 100, if I were to subtract tick modulo 100 from it and then get the difference between those two and subtract that as a conversion factor, would that... No, because there's definitely like weird edge. Yeah, I know. I was just trying to like, shoot. If I use the server stack. I'm surprised this isn't a more like common. Why is it based off of time zones? That feels so... That feels really dumb to me. If it's because time zones are basically saying that there's different seconds based... I mean, what? That makes no sense. That makes no sense. I'm so angry right now. We can do... Okay. Okay. Here's the solution. We remove the timer system. Kidding. Mostly. No, it needs to be just like... I'm trying to like have it be like server authoritative because there's going to be a leaderboard. So I can't just have people like, and I can't fire a remote event to update it every thousandth of a second. I don't think that would, it's literally just the timer for the game. So it's like, it's so I want to encourage speedrunning in the game. A very important part of the game's quick term growth is a speedrun challenge I'm going to host. And I believe that to do that, we need to have a reliable system for it. So what I'm unsure of is how this works. It's and my notebook is upstairs, so I can't write right now. All right, we have basically like, okay, our options. One of our options is on the client. We literally just every weight we just increase the variable manually, and we do it. And then we valid to update because that's trusting the client, and that's not good because then they can lie. Synth, what we're saying is the server is in a different time zone from the client. So rather than, let's say I join the game and wait a second, if the server's in PST, then one tick is going to give me like 18,000 second difference because tick is relative to time zones. That's why the game works in studio but not in game. Okay, well, I think our strongest option is on the client, we just iterate a value every thousandth of a second. And on the server, that's visual. On the server, we're validating it using the server's tick. And we go from there. The flaw in that is, what did you send? What solution? The synths or mine? Here's the issue with that, though. If a timer persists through games, even though it's not valid for publishing the run, the timer persists. And if I join and I end up on a different server in a different time zone, then I end up with a wildly out of sync server-based timer, which is a very odd flaw. Shoot, dude, I don't. That's the problem. It's such a minute, dumb issue. But it ruins it. I haven't checked out unreliable remote events yet. But Synth, we're doing it. What I'm saying is we're doing it every thousandth of a second. Does Quenti, if Quenti has a Nevermore module for this, I'm going to be... Yeah, what I was going to say was I'm very surprised that this isn't something that people commonly are experiencing. It does feel... I feel like it's really weird because if there's like a unified Unix epoch or whatever, right, then why is it saying in different time zones that different amounts of seconds passed if in reality only one true amount of seconds has passed since the Unix epoch? Like that's the weird part about it. Like when it first happened, like when it first starts, you have some people like I don't know. That's just so odd to me that there's no. Is there? Please, do they have like timer? For some reason, it doesn't let you. Can you add cheeky visuals on Discord? YouTube like does not let you, no matter what I do. So, do you think my code should work? Yeah, but Zay, what's the reliable way I can get the time zone, and then I have to basically create conversion factors for each one, right? What did you send? Oh. If you're sending links, they don't show in chat for some reason. Okay, let's see. So this. I'm so bad at reading modules. Hold on, let me like. Dude, I'm too tired to read this. Oh my god. Time sync service. What is master clock? What? My one thing about that stream is, from what it looked like, is that master clock, is that like created like in that instance, meaning I couldn't, again, I can't have it persist across servers. Okay. Okay, this is the epoch time of the server synth, right? Yes. But if I join a new server with a new epoch time, then it's going to be out of sync. I'd have to take the start time and then append, or like, it doesn't. Oh my god. What I'm saying is, let's say I'm halfway through my run and I leave the game and I no, it means synchronized within an experience. I don't think so. Sorry, what I'm saying is, let's say I'm halfway through the game. It's taking me 7 minutes and I leave, right? Um, if I rejoin, and my server that was in the PST is now in EST, and the original time comparison that I'm making is to PST, suddenly we're out of sync and we have another crazy time. Let the time out. So my potential solution is I take that like elapsed time, like let's say it's like 7 minutes. I store that 7 minutes and I just add that if it exists to the new time. Like that is one way to do it. And I think from that wouldn't be like I guess I'll use server time now. And I haven't even written that part yet, so I'm going to avoid writing it for now anyways. So we're going to convert tick into workspace. But doesn't every server have a different epoch? Oh, I gotta no, I don't think I'm not seeing. Okay. Let's quickly just see what happens if we test this. Datetime.now. They're inclined. Oh, we got it. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good, chat. We're good. Thanks, Synth. I still am unsure. I know how, from a logical perspective, I'm going to write the. If it is out of sync, I do know how to fix it really easily. So this is definitely the easiest solution. Wee. Okay, cool. That took way longer than it should have. Jeez. All right. Oh, nothing worse than. All right. Fix timer. Done. Create 2x speed. Set up wheel spin rewards. Who did the UI? Tango. All right. Chat, I'm going to head to bed. Well, no, I have to do a little bit of TikTok work before bed. But thanks for tuning in. I'm going to do a second stream tomorrow where we're going to finish the rest of the game. And then we're going to release this week. Putting $700 into it. Hoping to make more than $700. I don't really care. I'm mostly doing it for the learning experience. But making money is always pretty fun. So, Thanks for watching. I have to write 40 TikToks tomorrow morning, so I gotta mentally prepare for that. Got a bunch of meetings tomorrow. I have a meeting with a company. I have a meeting with some really big companies this week that are gonna be huge, and then we have a pretty big trailer we're wrapping up. Stressful. Stress is the word of the week. So stressed, so much work to do all the time, not enough time to do all the work. But it'll pay off, chat. All right.